How to prevent colon cancer? Like so many other cancers, colon cancer, also known as colorectal cancer or bowel cancer, can strike quickly and in deadly fashion and is considered the third most common form of cancer. Symptoms. Colon cancer symptoms include blood in the stool, weight loss, exhaustion, and irregular bowel movements, but these are often considered symptoms of other health issues, so people often forego screening. Home remedies for colon cancer. Ginseng. This herbal remedy, prized for its longevity-giving qualities, has been in use for thousands of years. Ginseng tea remains a popular recommendation for a wide variety of ailments, particularly serious conditions like cancer. The high concentration of antioxidants directly inhibits the proliferation of cancer cells. Green tea. Green tea is a rich source of catechins and epicatechins, organic compounds that are directly linked to decreasing the presence of free radicals and lowering the risk of cancer by preventing the spread of cancerous cells and displaying an anti-tumor effect. Adding green tea to your daily diet might be the best way to not only treat colon cancer but prevent it from developing in the first place. Garlic. As always, garlic has a place on this list of home remedies due to its powerful active ingredient, allicin. Raw garlic or garlic extract can be used to prevent the spread of cancerous cells and repair damage to tissues, and in fact, double-blind studies have shown that garlic can neutralize cancerous cells without damaging nearby healthy cells. This is one of the major complaints with more formal treatments for cancer, so garlic truly is one of the best anti-cancer agent in your pantry. Flaxseed oil. We need to use vegetable oils for many things in our culinary lives, so replacing that vegetable oil with flaxseed shouldn't be a problem. It will be a bonus to your health though, as flax oil is rich in omega-3 fatty acids. This form of good cholesterol is actually essential to your overall health, but many people have imbalances in their cholesterol levels. Omega-3 fatty acids. They decrease or inhibit pro-inflammatory molecules throughout the body, including the colon, thereby preventing the spread of cancer. Blueberries. This superfood has been praised all over the world for its rich content of antioxidants, including catechin, quercetin, flavonoids, phenolic compounds, proanthocyanins, and many more. Basically, blueberries are the holy grail of antioxidants, all of which can have a positive effect on cancerous cells and the strength of your immune system by eliminating free radicals and reducing cellular mutation. You significantly lower your risk of all cancers. Spinach. The nutrient-dense nature of spinach, as well as its high content of fiber, makes it an ideal remedy for colon cancer. Some of the issues that can exacerbate colon cancer include constipation and hemorrhoids. One of the best ways to naturally treat those issues is through consistent fiber intake and regular bowel movements. Spinach provides both of those things in addition to an impressive nutrient profile. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.